Hi guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is Damilola, and in this video I'll be talking about how to become a digital marketer to start your career in digital marketing. Whether you are a fresh out of school or switching a career or just curious about the field, this video will give you a roadmap to success. Right now I will assume you don't know what is digital marketing, and it's very important for you to understand the basics. So this is all about promoting products or services using digital channels like social media, search engine, email, and websites. It is a dynamic field with endless opportunity for creativity, strategy, and technical expertise. I know the question you'll be having right now is how do you get started? Step 1, understand the basics. It's very important for you to learn the key areas like SEO, which is called search engine optimization, PPC, which we call pay per click, content marketing, and social media marketing, which has to do with running ads on Meta, Snapchat, TikTok, Instagram, and many more. It might be difficult to find somebody to hold you and teach you all of this. This is why we have free courses on platforms like Google Digital Garage, Hotspot Academic, or Coursera. These are places you can go and take courses for free on digital marketing. I will be linking some links to free courses below in the description. Step 2, build your technical skills. It is very important for you to familiarize yourself with tools like Google Analytics, Facebook Ad Manager, Google Ads Manager, Business Center by TikTok, and most importantly, learning a designing software like Canva. Experiment with creating content, run small ads campaign, or analyze your website traffic. I know you'll be like, how do you do all of those things? That will take up to step 3. You need to gain practical experience. Even if you did not get a job after taking all of these courses, you can give yourself an experience by starting a personal blog or social media account to test your skills. You can also volunteer for small business or non-profit organization to build your portfolio. These are ways to give yourself a practical experience before you get a job that will pay you. Also, if you have your friends and family that run small business, you can help them in running trying digital marketing for their business just to have practical experience before you get a well-paying job. If you are enjoying this video, click on the subscribe button, share with a friend that you think this video might benefit as well. Now let's talk about career progression in digital marketing. Where can this path take you? Here's the typical progression. First of all, you can start as a digital marketing intern or junior specialist. These are like entry level where you assist with campaign, content creation, or analytics. The next career progression is digital marketing specialist or coordinator. You manage specific channels like social media or search engine or email marketing. So towards your career progression, then you can move to digital marketing manager, where you can oversee the entire campaign, managing budgets, and leading a team. Towards the progression, then you can move to director of marketing or head of digital. This is where you set higher level strategy, coordinating effort across teams. After being a director of marketing or head of digital, that career progression you can move towards is chief marketing officer. This is where you shape the overall brand and marketing direction of a company. But to be honest, all of these are not enough. To stand out in this field, you will need some essential technical skills. So let me break those down. 1, you need to understand SEO and SEM, understanding how search engine works and how to optimize content for visibility. 2, analytics. Learn to interpret data using tools like Google Analytics, Data Studio, Excel, or Power BI. 3, content creation. Develop skills in copywriting, video editing, and graphic design. This is going to help you a lot, making you stand out as somebody who knows what he or she is doing. 4, paid advertising. Master platforms like Google Ads, Facebook Ads, LinkedIn, TikTok, Snapchat, like I mentioned earlier. These are so important. You can start with a specific channel, mastering the channel first before you move to another one. 5, email marketing and automation. This is so important if you want to call yourself a digital marketer. Understanding some tools like Mailchimp, Klaviyo, Hotspot to create email effectively could be an additional skills or additional edge for you if you are trying to enroll for a job or trying to seek a position. Before we wrap this up, here are some pro tips to set yourself apart as a digital marketer. Stay curious. This is so important. Digital marketing landscape changes fast. Subscribe to industry blog like Moons, Hotspot, Marketing Pro, Artweek. Just try and subscribe to any any industry blog that is so popular around you, just to stay familiar or stay abreast about the industry. Network actively, join LinkedIn group, attend webinars or participate in a local marketing meetup just to meet people in the industry. Get satisfied. This is so important, but this might not be as important as having technical skills, but this might help a lot. This is just to like boost your credibility on places like LinkedIn. Acquiring certificate on Google, Facebook, and HubSpot could help you a lot when you are building what we call social proof. Another thing which you might want to do is to learn basic coding. You don't need to go into like fully coding. You might just want to have an idea of HTML, CSS. It might be very important for you to learn SQL as well. This will come in handy for you through your analytics and be a big advantage for you as well. Test and experiment, run A/B testing, try new platform. Don't be afraid to fail. Every experiment is a learning opportunity for everybody. So what's your first step? Pick one area that excites you the most, dive into learning, start experimenting. Remember, every expert was once a beginner. Thanks for watching my video. If you are ready to kickstart your journey as a digital marketer, hit the like button, subscribe, and share your question or progress in the comments below. Until next time, keep learning and keep growing.